I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you to...
So you can call me an official foodie because who else will drive 2 hours for some food? Me. Judging by the title, you guys already know what you're in for, so let's get into it.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you you were beautiful?
So as soon as I got there, immediately I was super excited because the DJ had good music, so already was good vibes. Then when you enter, there is a lot going on, but in a good way. There's all different kinds of vendors from different backgrounds and cultures and flavors, and there are so many options. And the best part of it all, of course, is that everything is completely vegan. So one of the first vendors that I passed by was called Impeccable Wellness, served fresh juices and snacks. I was so thirsty, it was not even funny. So I got the Electric Gold, which is pineapple, mango, and ginger. And you guys know how I love me some ginger, so I had to give it a try.
Okay, so I'm not even joking. This juice is top tier. Y'all need this.
So I walked all around just to make sure that I saw all my options, and let me tell you, did not disappoint. There's so many different kinds of things to get, from sweets to savory to snacks to full-blown meals, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. I don't know if this place is called Emo's or Imo's Bakery, but when I say this is one of the best cinnamon rolls that I got, it was great. It was soft, it was flavorful, it was just sweet in all the right places. I ended up getting the Biscoff and the peach cobbler one. Oh girl, let me tell you, it was great. I continued to walk around, and like I said, there's just food everywhere. One thing that stood out to me, of course, as a Latina, I was like, they got mofongo? Okay, let's get it. There was 2 different options. There was steak and chicken, and I was tempted by the chicken, but I was like, I gotta get the steak. Of course, we here with it. Let's go big or go home. So immediately I grabbed that and Caribbean tacos from another spot, had my little juice, and y'all know what we came here to do. I got busy real quick, and while I was eating, I got to enjoy some music with the fire DJ. Shout out to the DJ. I wish I got his information, but he was playing some good music, and I got to business. Judging by my face, you guys can already tell I was in love with these tacos. I am a sucker for anything Caribbean, so there were mushrooms in here. We have a fried sweet plantain, and then they had some mango salsa on top, which was literally the perfect combination with everything going on. I was a real big fan, and I would definitely rate these tacos a 10 for sure. Next, I had the mofongo with steak, and oh my god, my mouth is literally watering as I'm doing this voiceover. It was juicy, it was tender, the plantains were perfectly fried and crispy, and also soft and pillowy on the inside. I don't know how they did it, but they did it. It was sauced up correctly with like the herbs, like everything about this was just amazing, and I, no joke, was in heaven as I was eating a little bit of everything. Being Puerto Rican and Cuban, finding Latin and Caribbean vegan spots are essential for me, and I'm just so happy that they did not disappoint, and I'm definitely going to be coming back for them anytime that I see them in Orlando because it is worth it, honey. Took some pictures and did a little bit more walking around. I definitely got another juice because, like I said, their juice was fresh and not that expensive. And of course, you guys know I did not leave without getting some vegan sweets because a meal is not complete unless you have something sweet at the end. And then as I was leaving, the DJ was just playing my song, so I literally couldn't resist, and I was dancing as we were leaving because I was just like, damn, the vibes is vibing, but I got to go. So this was one of the best days to be outside because the sun was busting. It was perfect. Everything was just good vibes, good energy. Downtown is very lively, so I was just taking in my surroundings and enjoying traveling. Honestly, this was like the reflection part of my day. I was just super happy, super full, and just reminiscing about all the people that I met, all the followers that I got, and all the food that I'm gonna try when I get home, because you guys know I took some sweets home.
Don't ask me about this framing right now. I don't have my just yet. So let's get into it. I'm so thirsty. I can't even wait to get home. Like I just wanna eat it right now. So I'm gonna eat it now. It's the red velvet cookie one. Oh, this is gonna hit. Yo. Absolutely no words. That ate the girls. So soft. So. Like it literally just is so soft that it melts in your mouth. And there's so many flavors and it's creamy because of the middle and it's melted chocolate. They did that. I got chocolate on my forehead. It's so good, I got it on my forehead. Wow. I'm so full. I can't even breathe, but that was great. This was like the best thing ever. Food. I can't wait to get home and get hungry and do it all over again. I'm so full, I can't even talk, guys. Like, I'm really dead.
So after a long day of eating great food, it was time to go home, and I had about a 2.5 hour or so drive. So it definitely was enjoying just this alone time, reflecting, talking to God, thanking Him for everything, and then also enjoying this beautiful sunset view. If you follow me on my social media, you know I'm big on nature and absolutely love the sunset. It's one of my favorite parts of the day. So it was just a perfect way to end off this amazing day. So yeah, stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel if you want to be a part of the Vegan Nay fam. And follow me on Instagram if you're trying to get in tune with the vegan recipes, vegan restaurants, and all that good stuff. I'll see you guys next week.